Needle Rock Originals is a new venture that we're bringing out of Needle Rock because over the last 12 years we have loved working on antique chaise longues so much that we're going to take all the best bits from all the ones we've seen and put those together and make our very own. Sourcing our wood locally and using our frame repair workshop in-house, we are making our own hardwood frames so that we can give our customers a guarantee. Using the finest quality goods, including horsehair, these pieces will have a durability of at least 100 years. The first offering from Needle Rock Originals is going to be a bespoke chaise longue and is called the Aber Chaise. So this takes its name from our local town, Aberystwyth, which is fondly known by everybody as Aber. Nobody else in the market is actually creating brand new chaise longues using traditional materials.